How to log Facebook profile officially. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log Facebook profile officially. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile settings, what you can do is simply scroll down and there you will see the option labeled as lock your profile. So as of right now, I have currently locked my profile, but if you haven't, then you can simply tap on that option. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to enter your Facebook password to confirm. And once you do that, your profile will be locked successfully. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.